Honor 9 Lite is the latest budget smartphone from Huawei, and it has all the latest features that you want in your smartphone. It has the 18:9 aspect ratio display, 4 cameras, gorgeous glass look, and more. But let's talk about the display. I've seen many reviews that say that it has an IPS LCD display, but when you use it, the first thing you notice is that the display isn't that bright and it doesn't look like an IPS LCD display. So I did my research and I found out that the Honor 9 Lite does not sport an IPS LCD display but a TFT LCD display, and that is a shame, as one of the main highlight of Honor 9 Lite is the new trend 18:9 aspect ratio display with very few bezels, and on paper it is one of the best devices you can buy in that category. But the display on it is not an IPS LCD display but a TFT LCD display. So basically what it means is that the viewing angles on the Honor 9 Lite isn't that great. It has a yellowish tint to it. You can change the color temperature in the settings, but no matter what you do, there is still a yellowish tint to the display. The colors it produces are not so good. The display is an LCD display, but it is not an IPS LCD display but a TFT LCD display. And the TFT LCD display is much cheaper than the IPS LCD display, and the TFT LCD display has poor viewing angles and consumes more power. The TFT LCD display is also not as bright as the IPS LCD display, so the visibility is not that great in bright sunlight, and also the colors it produces aren't that great. I feel like Huawei should have given an IPS LCD display like they did in the Honor 7X, as the display in the Honor 7X is much better than the Honor 9 Lite. The TFT LCD display is a deal breaker for me. What do you think? Should they have opted for an IPS LCD display, or are you satisfied with this one? Comment your thoughts down below. That's it for now. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Perfect harmony.